Hey y'all, before we get into the video, I just want to give a quick rundown of the truck and what you guys are about to watch. This is Speed Engineering's inch and 7/8 long tube header kit and the rear exit exhaust kit. In all of the filming with this, I got roughly 1,200 pounds in the bed. It's the only reason I didn't get a good burnout video for you guys. This truck is needing a tune. It's catless, so the downstream O2 thinks it's running rich. It's not running the best right now. And also, when I'm doing the pulls there, I just re-geared it and the speedo isn't correct. It's actually reading a little slow. So when you see me at about 60, it's actually doing about 66, 67. So enjoy the video. I tried to throw together a video of just the sound clips. I am going to throw in a video here real soon of the whole install and everything you need to know. This is an 03 Silverado 2500 non-HD. It's a 6-liter 4L80 two-wheel drive. So without further ado. Race car.
Woo! Decent, baby.
Damn! Oh, the neighbors are gonna cuss us out. All right, I'm back to throwing the rest of the exhaust on. Man, that smells good. As you can see, I'm talking, it's nice and quiet, nice and tame. You get a little bit of rumble, nice little idle if you're standing on the right side of it. That's with the window cracked. It just sounds nice, smooth, and tame. I mean, this is, it's a daily driver. I don't like making the neighbors mad, so this is decent. I'm gonna lay into it here so that way you guys can see it. Let me slow down a little bit here. Even needing a tune, I can already notice more power at the foot. I mean, it's actually enough power, you can feel it. There is definitely a notable difference there. I am in love with this exhaust. If you guys are on the fence about buying it, I would say absolutely 100% go for it. It is worth it. I mean, when you get into it, it's nice and rowdy. When you're just cruising highway, you don't get much drone, if any drone. And this truck has vinyl floor. It's a work truck package for now anyways. So it don't really keep sound out that well, and it's still pretty quiet in here. I mean, we can sit right here and have a conversation and whisper to each other, and you're gonna hear it. Super, super tame and manageable when you're just cruising and you got your foot out of it. Especially once that torque converter locks up on the highway, you can't even hear this thing. She gets up and moves all right, even neating the tune. She rolls out. Like I said, super, super manageable. And mind you, that's with that that window dropped down about 4 inches or so. So I mean, windows up, cruising this thing, I want to say better than stock, but it's not. It's a little bit louder than a stock exhaust when, you know, you're just cruising on it, you know, windows up. But man, when you put your foot in it, this thing really opens up. It sounds awesome. It pulls hard. I'd say it's probably my favorite upgrade so far. It sounds great. My neighbors probably don't hate me as much anymore. If you guys are on the fence about it, I mean, you need it.